Hi, this is Donald Cowboy Biker Adventures. Today I have for you Low High RV Ranch, which is a Passport America park in Demi, New Mexico, about 4 miles south of I-10. It's a good overnight stay. They even have a boondocking section, or if you prefer full hookups. The other unusual thing about this park, besides the boondocking area, is it has an elaborate rock garden. I think you're going to like it. It has 60 total sites, and 50 of them are full hookups in between 45 and 50 foot long pull-throughs. 11 sites are only water and electric with 30-50 amp service. They also have a dump station and pet parks. They have one for small dogs and one for large dogs. They have free Wi-Fi, laundry, and restrooms. You also have individual showers, game rooms, and a free library, along with a large TV in the clubhouse. It also has picnic area and hiking, pool table, and horseshoes, morning coffee and afternoon social hours, and evening card games. They also have a campfire area, so families are welcome. They also have mountain views away from the city and many other things to do in the area. Again, it is family friendly, and your Passport America discount is valid for 7 nights max based on space availability. Do suggest reservations. If you will call them, they will hold you a spot on the day of your arrival. It was, I believe, around $24 counting tax, so it is a good overnight stay. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see adventure videos and RV and videos once a week, be sure to subscribe. I also have shorts on weekends. So until next time, have a good one.